everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to 1 of 1 divided by 1 plus cube root of x dx. We're going to let u equal cube root of x. So using that, we're going to let's start that out first. We have u equals cube root of x. That means x is going to equal u cubed, if you cube both sides, and therefore derivative of x equals 3u squared du. So when you do your integral, it's going to be the integral. And let's go ahead and look at our upper and lower limits. If x is, this is lower limit, if x is 0, then u will also be 0. So we still have 0 for the lower limit. If x is 1, then u will also be 1. So that didn't change. So basically with our u substitution, we have dx equals 3u squared, and then we have 1 plus u. All right. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and divide this out. This is we have to express it as a rational function. It's improper right now. So I'm going to take my u plus 1. I just flip these around and dividing this by my into my numerator. Now 3u squared, I'm going to go ahead and put placeholders here like that. All right. So what times u gives you 3u squared, and that would be 3u. All right, so that's going to give you 3u squared plus 3u. And then you subtract both terms. That's going to give you negative 3u plus 0. You bring down the 0. And then what times u gives you negative 3u, and that would be negative 3. So that gives you negative 3u minus 3. And you subtract, that's going to give you positive 3. So what we're going to get is plus 3 divided by u plus 1. So if you rewrite your integral, it's going to be from 0 to 1 of 3, there should be a du here. Okay, 3u minus 3, that's this part, plus 3 divided by 1 plus u du. All right, and when you integrate this, this is just going to be, for the u, you're going to get u squared divided by 2, but you already have the 3, so that's 3/2 minus 3u plus 3 times ln of 1 plus u, and then we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. I'm going to write this down again so we can do this. We have 3/2 u squared minus 3u plus 3 times ln. Try to go too fast and I skip steps. 1 plus u, and this is from 0 to 1. So let's substitute in our upper limit. That's going to give you 3/2 minus 3 plus 3 times ln of 2. When you substitute in 0, you're just going to get 0 minus 0. And if you substitute in this, you're going to get plus 3 ln of 1. But ln of 1 is 0. So that's all 0. So we're just going to deal with that. And 3/2 minus 3. So let's see what 3/2 minus 3. 3/2 minus 6/2, right? That would give you negative 3/2. So you have negative 3/2 plus 3 ln of 2. Now what we can do is factor out a 3. So if you factor out a 3, and I'm going to write this part first. You have ln of 2, and then you factor out this 3, you're going to still have a minus 1/2. When you distribute that back, you'll get this. So this is a better way to write it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.